Okay, I just checked to make sure this green khaki now in 2025 is the color of the 30 micron from Wicked Edge, which is I think that's 800 grit. I'm not sure. I'd have to check on that. So the colors changed, and now the .1, the new .1. This is a very old sheet. This is probably from 2016, 2015, 2016. Now the .1 micron, which is called 250K, the finest, is a gray color. So your stuff that you asked about, you've been at it a long time, it's probably the same colors as mine. Back to the using them. It's like the Wicked Edge system. If they offer a diamond, and if you use it stepwise, grit by grit, through the diamonds with a back step, take it to your 3000 with your diamonds coal, and then step back. The 3000 grit is equal to the 6 micron. You could step back to the 9 micron or even the 15, because they don't dig into it. The diamond lapping film, to me, the best way to try to explain it, it's like a brand new stone that you haven't broken in, but it doesn't have any of the dirt and it doesn't have any of the stray rough spots. It's like it's been broken in. It's fresh, it's crisp, it's new, it's clean, without all the work. But it doesn't last but a limited number of knives. Now you may be able to clean it, misting it with some isopropyl alcohol and wiping it with a paper towel. It'll take off some of that black steel stain you get, but they don't have a lot of longevity, maybe 7, 8 stones. Some people, if they're miserly and very gentle, they may prolong it. I don't use it for that. I use it because it's disposable, it's consumable. It gives me that next step, even though it's the same grit that you use the diamond stone, it works differently because of the substrate. So colors, I helped you talk about that. Let me see what else can I say. With the strops, the same thing. I have 0.5 micron I'm looking at. Let me see what else. I'm looking for how fine I went. 1 micron, 0.5 micron, 4 micron. I did not, after I used up some stropping emulsions, I didn't excuse my back. I'm so sorry. I did not pursue stropping. Here's 0.25 micron. So with stropping, it's the same thing as the lapping film. You have to create a handle. You get the blank leather handles, label them with your P-Touch label maker, and then apply the stropping, whether it be a paste or an emulsion. Again, I don't like to go from paste to emulsion to paste to emulsion. I don't see any reason why paste, and then emulsion, as long as you follow the progression down. That makes more sense to me because the feedback is more consistent. When you're going, every stone you pick up, the feedback feels different. It's hard to learn something by it. But when you do something that's 2 or 3 in a row the same, then you can start trying to make a statement about the difference of them because they have that same feedback feel. Whereas if one is a paste that feels dry or different, and one is a smoother sliding emulsion, and then it's too hard to make any learned statement for me. So that's why I try not to mix them and try to stay within them. Now, about applying them, the emulsions are easier to apply. The emulsion is two parts, like oil and water, but it stays blended. This isn't oil and water. It is an aqueous emulsion, but the liquid blends together such that it stays together for a long time. And the way it stays together, it suspends the diamonds. So you want to shake it up to make sure the emulsion is blended. And then when it's blended, it supports the diamonds. Whereas the suspension has the physical capability of holding the diamonds up. The difference between the suspension holds the diamonds up and the emulsion, by the way the parts hold together, the thickness of it, it holds the diamonds mixed in. The diamonds will settle out, and it will, absolutely, it will separate, but it does mix back up, and when it's mixed, the emulsion suspends the diamonds so that you can, it's like a dauber spray. Thanks.